Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Welcome back. If you've been here before, I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna use my Juvia's Place Concealer in 16 to prime my eyes and my one size translucent setting powder to set it. Next, I'm just using a brown shade in my crease, and I think I use this out of the Juvia's Place Zulu palette. So if you're recreating this look, you can just use any brown shade, warmer brown shade in the crease area. Now I'm going in with the United Peachy Nudes palette by Rude Cosmetics. I'm just going to use that color on my lids. Also, if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell and you press all so you'll be alerted of all my notifications and all my uploads. I upload a new short on Monday and a new video on Friday. Next, I'm going to use my Maven Beauty liquid eyeliner. Now I'm going to use my AOA Studio Lash Glue and my Kiss I Envy Neon Lashes. Next, to make sure there's no gap showing, I'm using my Sephora eye pencil and my Essence waterproof mascara. Moving on to the face, I'm moisturized already. Now I'm going to use my Everyday Humans Rose from Above Mineral Sunscreen. For my primer, I'm using my Sephora Beauty Amplifier Pore Primer. To correct the dark spots on my face and neck, I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer Orange Corrector. Now I'm using Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Longwear Foundation in the shade 425. For some more coverage, I'm using my e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Cinnamon. I'm going to put this all the places where I put my orange corrector. Now to highlight, I'm using my Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer in Medium Dark Warm. I put this all the places where the light would naturally hit my face. concealer is sitting, I'm going to use my Juvia's Place Bronzer Palette in Dark. I'm going to use that top shade to contour my nose and go around my jawline because it's lighter. And the other shade, I'm going to use to bronze the other parts of my face. Okay, I blended out that concealer that I had down. Now I'm using my ABA setting powder and my one size powder. I just mixed the two together to set the concealer. Now for my all over face powder, I use my Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation in 440. Now I'm going to use Juvia's Place of Hair and Blush Volume 1 palette, and I'm going to use a mixture of those two shades for my blush, and then I'm going to use that other shade for my highlight. Now I'm going to use my Juvia's Place Lip Liner in Brownie, and I'm going to use the Morphe Lip Gloss in Groupie. Now I'm using my Cover Effect setting spray. And that is it, y'all, for this makeup look, this everyday wearable makeup look. This is a simple look, and you can wear this for any occasion. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Make sure you hit the bell and click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. Also, like, comment, and share. I really appreciate that because I'm trying to grow my channel. Everything I use will be listed in the description box, as well as all my social media handles. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate you, and I'll see you on the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.